Welcome, cat enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of feline fathers. You might be familiar with mother cats and their nurturing behavior, but what about the role of father cats? Prepare to be astounded as we reveal 10 shocking facts about father cats that you likely haven't heard before. Trust us, number 1 is absolutely crazy. Fact 10. Territorial nature. Did you know that father cats, also known as tomcats, are incredibly territorial? It's fascinating to observe how these feline fathers defend their space. They mark their territories by spraying a strong-smelling urine to signal their presence to other cats. This behavior is deeply ingrained in their instincts, helping them establish and maintain control over a defined area. Interestingly, studies indicate that a tomcat's territory can range from just a few blocks in an urban area to over 150 acres in rural settings. Researchers also observe that male cats often cover up to 7 miles a night in their patrols to guard their territory. Yet this territorial nature isn't just about fending off rivals, it also plays a critical role in locating potential mates. Understanding this territorial instinct in father cats not only demystifies their behavior, but also highlights the complexity of their social structures. Fact 9. Paternal ignorance. Unlike many animal species where males play an active role in raising the offspring, father cats, also known as tomcats, are often completely ignorant of their paternal duties. In fact, male cats do not recognize their own kittens. Once a tomcat has mated with a female, he typically leaves and does not assist in the caregiving process. According to a study published in the journal Animal Behavior, male cats show little to no interest or recognition towards their offspring, spending, on average, only 1% to 2% of their time within proximity of their kittens. This hands-off approach is primarily due to the solitary and territorial nature of cats. Tomcats often prioritize finding new mates and marking their territory over familial bonds. This behavior is quite shocking, especially when compared to other species where males are actively involved in nurturing and protecting their young. Fact 8. Rare nurturing behavior. While it's commonly known that mother cats are the primary caregivers for their kittens, it might surprise you that some father cats exhibit nurturing behavior as well. This is not typical, as male cats generally do not participate in the rearing of their young. However, there are exceptions to this rule. Certain cat breeds are known for their paternal instincts. For instance, the Norwegian forest cat and some Siamese cats have been observed displaying noteworthy nurturing behaviors. These father cats might groom their kittens, play with them, or even snuggle close to keep them warm. Statistics show that such nurturing behavior is present in about 10% of domesticated male cats, which significantly impacts the social and emotional development of the kittens. Observations from cat behavior experts suggest that this nurturing role can help kittens grow into more well-adjusted adult cats, capable of better social interactions with both humans and other animals. So, if you ever witness a father cat embracing his role as a tender caregiver, consider yourself lucky, because it's a rare and heartwarming sight in the feline world. Fact 7. Competitive mating. Did you know that in the world of father cats, competition is fierce? Male cats, or toms, often engage in intense battles to mate with a female in heat. These conflicts aren't just a minor scuffle. They can result in significant injuries, as toms use their teeth and claws to fight for dominance. It's a risky game, but the rewards are high. The victorious toms get the chance to pass on their genes, ensuring their lineage continues. In some cases, these battles can attract multiple males, leading to even more ferocious contests. According to studies, the ratio of male to female cats in mating competitions can sometimes be as high as 5 to 1. This highly competitive environment influences not only the immediate mating, but also has long-term effects on cat populations in the wild. Isn't that fascinating? Stay tuned for more unbelievable facts about father cats. Fact 6. Pheromone markings. Did you know that father cats use pheromone markings to communicate with their offspring and others? Pheromones are chemicals produced by animals that influence the behavior of other members of the same species. Tomcats, or male cats, have specialized scent glands located around their face, especially near their cheeks and under their chin. When they rub their face against objects or other cats, they are leaving behind a unique chemical signature. This behavior is common, and often, a way to mark their territory. This marking not only serves as a boundary, but also carries essential information about their identity and sexual status to both females and other males. But it doesn't stop there. These pheromone markings play a critical role in the social structure among cats. Research shows that tomcats can identify their kittens through scent alone. In a study by the Journal of Chemical Ecology, it was found that 88% of the male cats involved in the study recognized their offspring among a group using scent markings. This intriguing behavior helps maintain social harmony within a feline family unit, as it establishes and reinforces bonds among kin. So, next time you see a cat rubbing up against something, remember it's not merely a sign of affection, it's a sophisticated way of saying, this is my space, and these are my family members. Fact 5. Independent grooming. When it comes to grooming, Father cats are known for their unique dedication to self-care. Unlike their female counterparts, male cats often exhibit a greater emphasis on their own grooming routines. While all cats engage in grooming as a basic instinct, which involves their tongues that have tiny, hook-like structures called papillae, it's fascinating to note that male cats can spend up to 50% of their waking hours grooming themselves. Independent grooming is not just about cleanliness, it's a form of self-reliance and territorial control. By spreading their own scent over their bodies, father cats establish their dominance and identity within the home or their natural environment. Moreover, studies indicate that proper grooming behavior can contribute to a cat's mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. So, next time you see a father cat in a grooming session, know that it's more than just hygiene, it's a vital part of their self-expression and territory management. This behavioral trait certainly underscores how independent and self-sufficient our feline fathers can be. Fact 4. Protective instincts. When we think of protective instincts in the animal kingdom, mother animals often come to mind first. However, father cats can also exhibit impressive protective behaviors. While male domestic cats, or tomcats, are not always known for their paternal involvement, those that do bond with their offspring can become fiercely protective. This behavior is more commonly observed in larger cat species such as lions, where the male lion plays a crucial role in guarding the pride from intruders. In fact, research shows that up to 30% of father cats in some domestic settings will exhibit protective and nurturing behaviors towards their kittens. They often watch over their young to ensure their safety, especially in the first few months when kittens are most vulnerable. This instinctual behavior underscores the lesser-known but significant role that father cats can play in the survival and well-being of their offspring. Fact 3. Vocal communication. Did you know that father cats are not just strong and silent types, but are quite vocal when it comes to communicating with their kittens? Research shows that cats, in general, use a range of sounds including purrs, meows, chirps, and growls to communicate. However, father cats play a special role in teaching their kittens how to use these sounds effectively. A study published in the Journal of Comparative Psychology revealed that male domestic cats, Felis catus, frequently engage in vocal interactions both with their mates and their offspring. These vocal cues are not just random noise, they serve specific purposes, such as calling for attention, indicating a threat, or expressing affection. Interestingly, one research project noted that cats can use as many as 16 distinct vocal patterns that serve different communicative functions. So next time you hear your cat meowing at you, remember, they could just be using a complex system of communication inherited from their feline fathers. Fact 2. Strategic hunting. Father cats are known to be strategic hunters, using their skills not only to feed themselves, but sometimes to teach their offspring how to hunt as well. While it's often the mother cat that teaches kittens to hunt, father cats can also play a crucial role. Studies have shown that male cats can be very deliberate and tactical when it comes to hunting. For example, they often choose their hunting grounds based on the availability of prey and the best conditions for a successful hunt. According to research from the University of Georgia, domestic cats have a hunting success rate of about 32% during the day and 44% at night. Male cats tend to hunt more at night due to their nocturnal nature, leveraging the dim light to stealthily approach their prey. This strategic behavior not only ensures they catch enough food to sustain themselves, but can also demonstrate important survival skills to their young. As skilled climbers, male cats often use high vantage points for a better view of their surroundings, maximizing their hunting efficiency. Next time you see your cat stalking around, remember it's all part of a well-honed strategy developed over thousands of years of evolution. Fact 1. Unbelievable paternity occurrences. Did you know that in a single litter of kittens, the father cats can come from different males? This phenomenon, known as superfecundation, allows a female cat to mate with multiple males while she is in heat, resulting in a litter of kittens with different fathers. Research shows that this is not just a rare occurrence. A study published in the Journal of Feline Medicine and Surgery found that up to 76% of litters with more than one kitten had multiple fathers. This can lead to an incredible variety of kittens in terms of both appearance and genetics. Superfecundation ensures greater genetic diversity, which can be beneficial for the survival and health of the species. It's a fascinating example of nature's way of enhancing genetic diversity. In conclusion, we've explored some truly surprising and lesser-known facts about father cats. From their unexpected capacity for nurturing to their unique behavioral traits, it's clear that father cats play a more complex role in the lives of their kittens than most people realize. For instance, did you know that father cats can recognize their offspring through scent? Studies have shown that male cats are more likely to exhibit affectionate behaviors towards kittens that share their genes. Moreover, a father cat's involvement can significantly influence the survival rate and social development of their litters. Approximately 80% of kittens in cat colonies benefit from the presence of a caring father figure in terms of social skills and overall well-being. Despite the popular belief that male cats are aloof or disinterested, it's fascinating to see how they contribute positively when given the opportunity. As you walk away from this video, remember that the world of father cats is full of surprises that challenge the traditional stereotypes we often hold. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the secret lives of father cats.